Welcome to Military Tech Insider. Today, we're presenting the top 5 anti-drone systems that are revolutionizing airspace security. In this video, we'll introduce you to these impressive systems, which can be used for both military and civilian purposes. At the end of the video, I'll reveal my personal favorite and provide a summary of the top 5 systems. Stay tuned to discover the top 5 unmanned ground vehicles, UGVs, for land operations in our next video. Before we begin, here is a short list of our top 5. AUDS, Anti-UAV Defense System. Drone Shield Drone Gun Tactical. Skywall 100. Rheinmetall Air Defense AG, Oerlikon Sky Ranger. And the Boeing Compact Laser Weapons System, CLWS. Part 1, AUDS, Anti-UAV Defense System. The Anti-UAV Defense System, or AUDS, is an advanced drone defense system that effectively detects, tracks, and neutralizes drones. Developed by Blighter Surveillance Systems, Chess Dynamics, and Enterprise Control Systems, AUDS combines radar technology, electro-optical tracking, and powerful radio frequency jamming. With a range of up to 10 kilometers, AUDS can detect unwanted drones within seconds and block their control signals, effectively disabling them. AUDS is available in various configurations, including a mobile version that can be mounted on vehicles, as well as a fixed installation version for protecting infrastructure such as airports and military facilities. One of AUDS's greatest strengths is its ability to track and combat multiple drones simultaneously, making it an ideal choice for protection against coordinated drone attacks. Part 2, Drone Shield Drone Gun Tactical. The Drone Shield Drone Gun Tactical is a portable drone defense device designed specifically for use in situations where rapid and effective action against unauthorized drones is required. It is lightweight and easy to use, making it ideal for police, security forces, and military personnel. The Drone Gun Tactical uses radio frequency jamming technology to disrupt communication between the drone and its operator. The system can jam both GPS and GLONASS signals, causing the drone to either be forced to land or return to its starting point. With an effective range of up to 2 kilometers, the Drone Gun Tactical allows forces to combat drones from a safe distance without requiring direct contact. Part 3, Skywall 100. The Skywall 100 is a unique drone defense system that uses physical projectiles to take down drones. Developed by the British company OpenWorks Engineering, the Skywall 100 is a portable system that employs a specialized projectile launcher and intelligent projectiles to effectively neutralize drones. The system is designed to capture the drone with a net and then safely bring it to the ground using a parachute. The Skywall 100 has an effective range of up to 100 meters and offers forces the ability to combat drones without the use of jamming signals or electromagnetic pulses. This makes it particularly useful in situations where the use of radio frequency jamming technology is undesirable or impractical, such as in urban areas or near airports. The projectile launcher of the Skywall 100 features a computer-aided targeting system, allowing the user to accurately track the target and precisely align the projectile. The system is also equipped with various types of projectiles to accommodate different drone models and operational scenarios. Part 4, Rheinmetall Air Defense AG, Oerlikon Sky Ranger. The Oerlikon Sky Ranger from Rheinmetall Air Defense AG is a state-of-the-art drone defense system specifically designed for the protection of military and civilian facilities. The system is based on the proven Oerlikon revolver cannon technology and is capable of defending against a variety of airborne threats, including drones, manned aircraft, and missiles. The Oerlikon Sky Ranger is a mobile system mounted on an armored vehicle, providing 360-degree coverage. It features an advanced sensor network, consisting of radar sensors, optical sensors, and infrared cameras, to detect and track drones and other aerial targets in real time. The system is capable of tracking targets at distances of up to 4 kilometers and engaging them with precision when necessary. The revolver cannon of the Oerlikon Sky Ranger is capable of firing both explosive and armor-piercing ammunition, making it effective against a wide range of threats. Additionally, the system is equipped with an automatic fire control system that minimizes reaction time and maximizes accuracy. Part 5: Boeing Compact Laser Weapons System, CLWS. The Compact Laser Weapons System from Boeing is a groundbreaking drone defense system based on laser technology. The CLWS employs a powerful solid-state laser to neutralize drones and other aerial targets by precisely heating and damaging their critical components. With a range of up to 5 kilometers, the CLWS can effectively combat drones without resorting to conventional weapons or jammers. The CLWS is a mobile system that can be mounted on various platforms, such as vehicles, ships, or fixed installations. It features an advanced optical targeting system that allows the operator to accurately acquire targets and precisely align the laser beam. By using laser technology, the CLWS is capable of engaging targets with high precision and minimal collateral damage, making it a particularly attractive option for protecting infrastructure and civilian facilities. One of the greatest advantages of the CLWS is its ability to track and engage multiple targets simultaneously. This allows the system to effectively counter coordinated drone attacks and provide a high level of protection for defended areas. Let's come to my personal favorite and the conclusion. After analyzing these impressive top 5 anti-drone systems, my personal favorite is the Boeing Compact Laser Weapons System, CLWS. The use of laser technology for combating drones offers high precision and effectiveness with minimal collateral damage. Furthermore, the CLWS's ability to track and engage multiple targets simultaneously is a critical advantage in countering coordinated drone attacks. In conclusion, each of these anti-drone systems offers unique advantages and is suitable for different operational scenarios and threats. While the AUDS and DroneShield drone gun tactical are excellent for protecting infrastructure and civilian facilities, the Skywall 100, Oerlikon Sky Ranger, and CLWS provide additional flexibility and adaptability for use in various environments and against different aerial targets. The future of airspace security lies in the continuous development and integration of these advanced technologies to counter the increasing threats posed by unmanned aerial vehicles. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll introduce the top 5 unmanned ground vehicles, UGVs, for land operations. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Military Tech Insider.